Welcome back to the Sons of the Forest. The story continues.
Campfire went out.
Yeah, I see that. I'm letting night again. Not like I don't have like 6,000 something leaves. Here we go. Here, have some rotten legs, arms. I don't even care. Just take all of it. I know it can't take it and it'll delete it. I don't care. Just get it out of my inventory. Hi, Virginia.
Bloody.
She's always bloody. You haven't noticed? She's also on fire. I think she reached down and ate something and then lit herself on fire. Hey, look, it turned back into raw.
I wonder where my meat went.
I don't know. I think it deleted it. Because we did throw a lot on there. Between both of us throwing shit. There we go. I don't know. I'm addicted to cat food.
Yeah, I know you are.
What? It doesn't go bad. Oh, hey, there's one of my arrows. That's odd. So when you broke the tent and it flew up where I couldn't see the target and I still fired, it counted it as hitting him, but it still ended up just getting stuck in the tent piece. I just found the arrow. Open skin pouch. Well, I guess ready when you are to continue. Moving on our path.
Drink.
I resaved. Well, they never came back to this camp, at least. I'm gonna go wipe one of these things out, and they just keep coming. It is gonna be kind of funny. They come back, and it's like, huh, someone else moved in.
Yeah, we've been here before.
We have. Oh. Oh, this one. We were just here.
Mm-hmm.
How did we go? Oh, because we went back towards the river and then went down the river. Gosh, leading me on a wild goose chase.
There's a moose.
Moose? Why isn't it dead? Now it is. More hide. And he gives 2. And a lot of meat. I'm actually really happy about that. You know, as normally you would kill stuff like that, like in the original Force, it'd just still give you 1 meat.
Oh, hey.
What?
I see destruction target.
Another camp?
Mm-hmm.
I'm on my way. I just had to finish skinning that moose. I'm just gonna start breaking the camp. Even though there's still things. Cloth. Rope. Broken cloth.
I set it free, by the way. Set it free without killing it.
How dare you? Skinning. Oh, hi. I'm skinning. I can't move. I knocked him over and you finished him. It's quite spectacularly, if I might add. Oh, I didn't know there was another one. Alright, where are we? That way. Shocked there hasn't been an achievement for X amount of cannibals killed.
Maybe there is, and we just haven't gotten them.
Well, I mean, I figure you would by now with the amount that we have killed. At least, you know, a starter of it.
No, it's like a ridiculous amount.
Jump. Alley up. Gosh, there's no more natives left to murder. This hunting trip's a bust.
Whatever you said, Christian missionary.
Oh my gosh, don't go there like that. Jeez.
Hey, you're the one to talk about killing natives.
Oh, God. That's what these people are, except for they eat other people. Oh, there's a bunch of coffins up here on the top of this waterfall.
There's also a campsite right there.
Stuff? Ooh, stuff.
Ooh, winter jacket.
What?
Winter jacket.
I'm on my way! I'm on my way! I didn't do anything. You can prove nothing. Don't forget to save. Box. Ooh, batteries. Yay.
I'm still laughing that that does not pop up on your screen.
What?
The explosion.
Explosion.
Yeah, you see the thing that's right over here? It's on the ground.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, it goes boom.
Yeah, no, you shot it last time. It doesn't do anything for me. I wonder if I shoot it. What do you shoot it with? Just the gun, or you do it with the bow?
I do it with the bow. With the bow.
Yeah, I see what you mean. But did you see that?
Nope.
And my arrow's still here. Explosions are instanced.
Where?
Oh, God. Where the hell are we?
Sort of home, but not really.
I think the home we're running up towards is one of the ones that's in a cave.
No, no. I wasn't talking about that.
I know. I'm not really looking for home. Looking for the next target. Got it. Just give me the world save, and then I'm just gonna set it to me AFK and have Kelvin chop logs and drop here for all eternity. Eventually, there won't be a tree on the island.
I mean, you aren't wrong.
Natives cannot hide. Can you imagine the pile of logs if I did that and just went to work? That would be there when I got home.
That'd be kind of bad.
Because I could just leave my character AFK, like, say, on that little island where they literally can't get you. And since you don't starve to death. I have a feeling it'd break the game. Or the logs would disappear. One or the other.
I'm gonna assume the logs would just disappear.
I mean, I would hope so, because if they didn't add that, it'd be bad. But I've also seen some really big piles of logs. So I don't know. Oh my god, I'm tired today. Ah! It yelled at me and I shot it in the shoulder. Hold on, stay still while I load this again. I ran right up on one of the crawling ones, like face to face, and just went fire and just kept reloading and shooting it. And then fumbled my keys.
How dare
How dare I what? Exterminate their species? I mean, that's what we always do.
How dare you fumble your keys?
What else is new? I'm tired. Leave me alone.
I mean, if you're that tired, we can always stop.
I'm tired of recording. That's probably about it. Oh, God. That and we've been running for hours. It's like 5 minutes of entertainment for hours of running in a straight line, full sprint. The only entertainment we're getting is the 10 seconds we spend murdering all the natives.
And as we continue to do this, we keep getting faster at it.
You noticed that, huh? Like, we're coming up to camps now, and we're not even there a minute. There's just, like, eradication and move on. Didn't you know, we weren't here to save billionaires. We were sent here as an exterminator.
I mean, isn't that the same thing?
Maybe. Oh, we're at where that thing is.
Oh, hey, I'm down.
You're
Let's
what?
see where it takes me.
You're what?
I'm down. Let's see where it takes me. I see a... Oh.
You're at a mutant camp, aren't you?
Yeah.
Because I see where it took you. You're a ways away all of a sudden.
Yeah, there's nothing but mutants here.
Like the big mutants?
Yeah, there's a couple of those. And the little ones.
You want to wait a minute, I will get there and help. But you teleported a ways.
What are you doing?
Hey look, there's the house that we never finished.
We finished.
No, we didn't. You were building a second floor.
No, it wasn't. That's just so I could get on the roof.
I thought that's what you were doing. Almost there. Oh, God. Out of stamina. Run faster. This diet of only cat food and energy drinks is not good for me. Almost
Yeah,
there.
look at here. No, the deer's running away.
Oh. Oh.
Ah, hi. I see your sight. So this is what happens when you start clearing out all the cannibal camps, I guess.
And we already knew. If you do anything towards them, the worse it gets.
Oh, you're a bad shot.
I'm literally hitting him. Every shot I'm watching it hit him.
And yet it's still not dead.
It's not a shotgun, jackass. It's a 9mm. These things suck. The crossbow does more damage than that.
Why aren't you using crossbow then?
Because I thought the 9mm would have been faster. Apparently not. What is up with them? Oh, so the spraying these guys do. That must be what's making like the callous things on the walls inside the caves.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Jesus! Go away.
Took one of mine, by the way.
Sure he did. I mean, we could always dupe a bunch of them. Oh, there's a cave cannibal right here. Where are we going now?
I was getting the cave cannibal that was right now.
Oh, there was one over here that was running around.
I'm watching them fight. No. You go fight that one. You don't fight me. Behind you.
Ow.
That's kind of amusing to watch. Aww.
There's not much of him left. And then I skinned him on top of all of it. Where are you going?
Where I was going originally.
I don't know where the hell you were going originally.
To the other side of the island. Where we haven't been yet.
Oh, alright. The house
The
is,
only place we haven't been yet.
house is right in front of us. We want to stop and save.
Might as well.
I'm gonna stop, save, and then unload like sticks and rocks for our builds. So I've just been picking those up as we run along everywhere. I do like our house, our little setup, even though it's not finished. Well, that's a question about the skull torches. The two on the wall are still there. Remember yours disappeared, or the one you had disappeared?
Mine got broken.
You said it disappeared.
No, I broke. I told you that.
Sticks. Jesus, how many sticks did I have? Bones?
Phone should be there.
It wasn't. And I'm gonna fill up the drying rack with all that. What was it that I got? It was a bunch of some kind of meat. And a foot. Bunch of actual meat and then just an actual human foot.
This way.
I like the stack of firewood.
Yeah. Oh yeah, so
Oh, the entire reason we stopped.
it's actually mobile sucks, by the way.
What, of the firewood? I don't know what it
No.
normally looks like, so.
Going on the end.
Ah. Nice. I like our little cabin.
Your feet are cold, Nate.
On the road again. My cat wants inside. Just think how much that backpack we carry weighs.
I don't want to.
Not even thinking that we're literally just carrying like rocks and sticks everywhere.
Sticks won't be a problem. It's the rocks ones, along with all the bottles of vodka, all the ammo, all the guns.
No, I'm already full on rocks again. I've just been running and picking up all these rocks that are on this path. Yeah, just the guns alone would be encumbersome, to say the least.
You also have to remember, we're carrying basically two briefcases, too.
Oh, right. Yeah, the cases where the bombs and shit are. Stick. Stick. So I guess that's what happens. I realized with the cannibals being dead, that's what happens when you wipe out the surface cannibals. The underground ones take over the camp when you die.
Yeah, it goes.
Oh, great.
Okay.
So as we wipe out the surface, the cannibals from below rise.
Which actually does fit.
It kind of does, because we've been wiping them out. We've also been opening up entrances that were blocked off. Giving them more ways up here. Ah, stamina. Ooh, stick. Stick. Now that I've used the handgun and the shotgun, I can say handgun kind of sucks. The shotgun's cool though. You know?
Mm-hmm. So far there's been nothing really going on.
Also, what happened to the cannibal hit squads that were always after us? Did we finally wipe them out enough where they aren't in existence?
Probably.
Because for a little while there, we were getting hit with them constantly. And all we did was wipe out like 4 more camps. Their population a little diminished.
Oh, hey.
Pot shot!
Too bad you cannot join us.
I don't care.
I don't think he'd want to anyways.
He definitely wouldn't want to, especially because all he'd do is complain about dying. Because we're like in endgame at the moment.
I see point of interest.
Oh, yeah, I do too. Dot appeared.
I don't know if it's been one that we've been to, but
I don't think so. This is the chunk we skipped. When we went straight up and over the mountain from our house, pretty much. This whole area here is what we skipped.
Great. I'm skipping them.
How dare you? They could be special.
I severely doubt it.
Yeah, I do too. That's the reason why I'm not doing it.
Watch as they have like flare guns in them.
Yeah, watch. They're full of shotgun ammo.
Aww.
And you're the one that didn't want to dig them. They do kind of have like a random chance to spawn shit on some of this stuff. I've been getting ammo out of things that I've never gotten ammo out of before when we've done repeats of areas. Why are all of my animals at my feet?
Because obviously your feet are warm.
No, they're actually cold.
Oh, that might be why too.
Also, isn't the point of interest... Oh, okay, never mind. I zoned out.
Yes, you did.
I was just running in a straight line, then I noticed the point of interest was to our right now, and then I didn't look that there was just a mountain.
Ooh, this is a new place.
Whoa.
Hey, look, it's a Minecraft secret. Easter egg, yeah.
How many games have done that?
Quite a few, to be honest.
Because I know Borderlands 2 had one, and I've heard of so many others that had some Minecraft thing. I remember Borderlands 2 one break through the Minecraft blocks and there's creepers inside.
Yeah.
I think all it was an achievement on that one, too.
I think I actually had some equipment too.
A box or something, I don't remember. It was so long ago since I played Borderlands 2. We still should finish our Borderlands series.
Sand traps. Guess what we found?
A golf course. I can see it from here. I see a flag. Well, I'm going to the dot.
So am I. Alright, now stamina.
You get stamina back? Sometimes it don't feel like it, does it?
Takes forever for it to like run out, and all of a sudden it takes forever for it to come back.
Wow.
Yay!
What is it?
Diggy diggy hole, diggy diggy hole.
Another diggy?
There's nothing around this either.
It's been pretty peaceful on this side of the island.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Yeah, I kind of have to agree. At least when there's chaos, you know there's always going to be chaos. Digging so fast. Oh. It actually digs really quick if you can keep the momentum. Oh god, I'm in your head. I see both of our hands.